Hello, let me show you something amazing. So, this is your pack that you give to someone when you've just built their bathroom and they want to know how to maintain it. So a brand new bathroom doesn't need product to clean, especially mirrors and chromeware. We want to keep grime off chromeware forever if we can. This is our Shyn microfiber cloth. Now we use them wet and we use them dry. We use them wet to remove marks on glass, tapware, the sink, shower screens, easy as pie stuff. And then we use our grey cloth or our black cloth, same thing, this is a thicker version of this one, to wipe it dry. No product is needed on chromeware, on mirrors. This is it. So you get 2 of these, 1 of this. You get this for anything future hard to clean areas, stains, lime scale. This is what you need. This won't be used for a long time. And then you also use your 250ml, which comes with a trigger, commercial grade trigger. You use this to clean soap scum inside of sinks if they haven't been cleaned for a while. This is what you use for a heavy build-up. This is what you use day to day. You will also get a double strength double size magic eraser that will also be in your pack. This will be, again, for heavy duty areas if they get to that stage. If your client maybe doesn't upkeep every day, no problem. Once a week, this will be cut in half. They can use this for about a month, wet, to remove any buildup. That's not needing to use chemicals for anything, and it makes their life so much easier.